So for today, we're going to solve integration of exponential function with the help of this formula. So the integral of 3 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x dx. So, ang una natin gagawin is i-separate natin itong 3 to the power of x and 4 to the power of x. So, magiging the integral of 3 to the power of x dx plus the integral of 4 to the power of x dx. So, hahanapin natin ang mga u's nila. So, let u is equals to x, whereas ang derivative of u niya is dx. And then, let u is equals to x, where du is equals to dx. So, after nito is i-plug natin ang value ng dx dito at dx dito. So, magiging the integral of 3 to the power of x du plus integral of 4 to the power of x dq. So, after this is, pag-proceed na tayo sa formula niya. Where integral of au du is equals to au over ln a plus c. So, ang au natin dito is instead of x is magiging u na to siya. So, ang au natin dito is 3u over ln a, which is ang 3 plus 4u as our au over ln as a as our 4 plus c. So, after this is substitute na natin ang mga value ng u's. So, 3 to the power of x over ln 3 plus 4 to the power of u as x. So, 4x over ln 4 plus c. So, this is the final answer.